Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix NVIDIA Control Panel display settings missing or not showing. So let's get started. So if you want to fix this problem where you can't find display settings inside your NVIDIA Control Panel and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem, first of all what you can do is just check if you have installed graphics card in your device. So if your graphics card is not installed in your device, then you might face this kind of problem. So what you can do is just simply open up your Windows search bar and then search for device manager. After searching for device manager, now what you can do is just tap on this option which is display adapters, and inside your display adapters you should find your graphics card and your CPU. So if you can't find those options, then you might face this kind of problem where you can't find display settings inside your NVIDIA control panel. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and fix those problems, and after fixing those problems you will find your display options inside your NVIDIA control panel. So after fixing these problems, if you still can't find those options, then it might be because you have not updated your drivers. So what you can do is just simply update your drivers. So to update your drivers, what you have to do is just download this application which is GeForce Experience. So it's a new application from NVIDIA. What you can do is just simply download GeForce Experience from your browser. So after downloading GeForce Experience, what you can do is just simply open up your GeForce Experience. After opening up your NVIDIA GeForce Experience, now what you can do is just simply tap on drivers, which is on the top left corner. And after tapping on drivers, now I have updated my driver, but if you haven't updated your driver, then what you can do is just simply update it. So here you can find this option which is update, but I have already updated my driver, so I can't find that option. So I can find check for updates. So if you haven't, then you will find the option which is update. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and update your drivers. And after updating your drivers, you will fix this problem. And after completing this process, now what you can do is just simply go ahead and check if you can find the display options inside your NVIDIA control panel. So if you find those options, then it's okay. But if you still doesn't find those options, then it might be because there is an issue with your NVIDIA control service. So what you can do is just simply close your NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and now in search bar you can search for support. So what I recommend you to do is just simply close your NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and after closing your NVIDIA GeForce Experience, now in Windows search bar you can search for services. And after typing on services, now what you can do is just scroll down and head over to your NVIDIA section. So here you can find NVIDIA. So from here what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is NVIDIA Display Container LS. So just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now what you have to do is you have to make sure that your startup type is at automatic. So if it's not in automatic, what you can do is just simply change it to automatic and then tap on start. And after doing that, what you can do is just simply tap on apply and then tap on OK. So after changing that, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is NVIDIA Local System Container. So just tap on NVIDIA Local System Container, and after doing that you have to do the same with this option. So what you can do is just change it to automatic. If it's not, then what you can do is just tap on start, and after doing that what you can do is just tap on apply and OK. And after completing this process, you will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix NVIDIA control panel display settings not showing or missing. So if you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.